A tap timer is the perfect accessory for any sprinkler or irrigation system you have set up at home. It not only automatically waters the garden to your personalised schedule, but it takes the worry out of watering if you lead a busy life or go on holidays, ensuring your plants stay well hydrated all year round. To get started with your Hoselink Automatic Tap Timer, first insert two AA batteries by lifting the cover on the back of the unit. When you replace the cover, ensure you push down firmly until it is flush with the casing, creating a watertight seal. The screen will now be on. The screen will automatically turn off when not in use to prolong battery life. Press any button to reactivate. To set up your watering schedule, press the OK button once. You will first be prompted to set the time, which will be flashing at the top of the screen. You can adjust the hours and minutes using the up and down arrows, then press OK to set. Press the OK button again and you will reach the first programming option, P1. Press OK once more and make sure P1 is set to on. Now use the up and down arrows to select your desired start time. Press OK to set. Next, select how long you want to water the garden for using the up and down arrows. You can choose from 1 second to 99 minutes. Press OK to confirm. Finally, choose how often you want to water the garden. You can opt from every hour to every 15 days. Press OK to confirm. That's it, you're all set. Now you can attach your timer to the tap. The timer comes with both a 3/4 inch thread and a 1 inch thread that will fit any standard Australian outside tap. If you require a 1 inch thread, simply screw the extra tap piece into the top of the timer like so. Or remove it to reduce the thread size. You'll see the tap connection has a filter inserted inside to catch any debris. This will help keep the timer working efficiently. Once you have selected the correct size thread, screw onto your garden tap. It's important to screw the timer on tightly, like this, to ensure a leak-free connection. You can now connect your hose to the bottom of the timer using a Hoselink universal tap connector. Simply screw it on, then point and twist to connect the hose. Attach your chosen sprinkler or connect to an irrigation system. The timer is now ready to go. This timer allows 3 separate watering schedules, which enables watering on set days if required. If you do wish to water on 3 set days, you can set this up by programming the timer on the specified days. For example, if you want to water on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, you will need to go out on the respective days to set up P1, 2 and 3. To do this, press the OK button until the P1 arrow is flashing, then use the down arrow to select the correct program. Press OK, making sure on is selected, then press OK again to start the setup. On each day, ensure you set the frequency to 1 week. You will only need to do this process once, unless you require a day change. Thereafter, the timer will water as scheduled, but remember, the tap needs to be kept on at all times for the timer to work. To turn off one of the programs, press OK until the P1 arrow is flashing. Then use the down arrow to select the program you wish to cancel. Press OK to select, then switch to off and press OK to confirm. One of the best features of this tap timer is the built-in rain sensor. This intelligent function detects when it's raining and automatically cancels the watering schedule to save using any unnecessary water. The timer will then resume as normal for the next program watering. The rain sensor feature will already be activated when you receive your new tap timer. If you want to turn this feature off, simply hold down the tap icon and the OK button simultaneously for 4 seconds. You'll know it's off when the water droplets no longer appear on the screen. You may want to manually water your garden in between schedules. To do this, press the tap icon once and use the up and down arrows to set how long you'd like to water manually for. Click the OK button to confirm and away you go. If you stop watering before the time is up, simply press the tap icon button again to cancel. Another handy feature of this tap timer is the child lock. To activate, press the up and down buttons simultaneously for 4 seconds until the padlock icon appears on the screen. This will stop your little ones from making any unwanted changes. To turn the child lock off, hold down the up and down arrows again until the padlock icon disappears. If you'd like to switch off your timer completely, look for the exit pause icons and press until the screen says off. This will stop any watering in progress and scheduled for the future until you turn it back on. To turn the timer back on, press and hold the same exit pause buttons until the screen illuminates. The timer will resume the last watering schedule you had set up. Don't forget, if you're going away on holidays, check the battery level at the top right of the screen to avoid it running out of juice while you're gone. That's it, you're ready to water. Now go and put your feet up.